So the Mini Cooper R56 cabin filter is located down here and is really easy to change. Just remove the T20 screw on this cover. Then you will need to unclip the light wiring harness. The cover will then just pull off like so. The cover unclips here and just removes quite easily. You should now be able to see the filter. The filter comes in two parts. The first one will slide out, and then you will need to lift the second one to get it out of the opening. These filters can get quite badly blocked, causing a restriction in airflow. So the benefit of changing this filter can be quite noticeable. Before refitting the filter, observe the correct fitting way. Slide in the lower filter first and ensure that it's fitted correctly, and then slide the second filter above it. Close the hatch and refit the side panel. This has been how to fix it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Here's some more mini videos coming up next. Please feel free to leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.